Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make lavender lemonade. First, let's create our lavender simple syrup. Combine 1 cup of water, 1 cup of granulated sugar, and about 1/4 cup of dried culinary lavender buds in a saucepan. Gently bring this mixture to a simmer, stirring until all the sugar has completely dissolved. Then, remove it from the heat, cover, and let it steep for 20 to 30 minutes to fully infuse that wonderful lavender essence. Finally, strain the syrup through a fine mesh sieve to remove the buds. Next, we'll prepare the star ingredient, fresh lemon juice. To get the most out of your lemons, firmly roll 3 to 4 of them on a hard surface before cutting. Then, slice them in half and juice them to collect approximately 1½ cups of fresh lemon juice. This fresh juice is key for that bright, zesty flavor. Now, in a large pitcher, combine your freshly squeezed lemon juice with 1 cup of the lavender simple syrup we just made. Now it's time to bring it all together. Add 5 cups of cold water to the lemon juice and lavender syrup mixture in your pitcher. Give it a good stir to ensure everything is perfectly combined. This is your chance to taste and adjust. Add a little more simple syrup if you prefer it sweeter, or a splash more lemon juice for extra tartness. Serve your refreshing lavender lemonade chilled over ice, perhaps garnished with a fresh lemon slice or a sprig of lavender. Here are a few tips to elevate your lavender lemonade experience. For a more vibrant purple hue, you might use ultra blue lavender or even a tiny drop of food coloring. If you enjoy a little fizz, try substituting still water with sparkling water for a bubbly version. Any leftover lavender simple syrup can be stored in the refrigerator for up to 1 month, ready for your next batch. Finally, garnish with fresh mint, berries, or edible flowers for an extra touch of elegance.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.